Okay, guys, Marco first. Yeah, so Mikhail, yeah, hi, how are you? Hossein, hi, how are you guys? How is everybody doing? Let's take a look on, or actually, today I will try to catch a potential new Japanese yen long, maybe here. Isaac, hi, how are you? Adventure, things, hello. So, please, guys, first of all, as you already know, you'll have to read the disclaimer. It's important, guys, to understand that trading is risky, that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. If you have questions, you can send an email to support, okay? And don't forget that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. There are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there, so please read the disclaimer. Let's take a look here. Nothing really important today. Maybe only the FOMC member Williams speaks. So Adnan, hello, hi, how are you? Diego, hello, Mr. Good day, hi, how are you? Diego, hi, how are you? Hi from Sri Lanka, Izuru. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me here. If you have questions, guys, if you have questions, please. I'm waiting for your questions in that chat, and yeah, I will try to answer to your questions. Hello from Poland. So if you have questions, but also if you want me to take a look on a specific market, don't type only Euro USD, or please tell me what you are looking at, if you are a bull, if you are a bear, if you want to buy, if you want to sell. So Japanese yen basket. Japanese yen basket. It has rebounded here. I've catched this rally here. Marcel, hi, how are you? So I've catched this rally here yesterday on the Japanese. Can you say something about US oil? It is going to. So let's take a look. First of all, US oil. Yeah, I will talk about that market bull. Yeah, I don't know. Yesterday, personally, I've decided to manage my position in US oil here, right below this resistance 75.92. Okay, we had this sell-off, so I've decided to manage my position here to close it in profit, deep profit here. So we had only a temporary retreat, sell-off, and then boom. Okay, it would have reached my take profit eventually. Okay, if you didn't manage the position here, maybe you left the position open. Right now, the price, it would have reached the take profit here in US oil. So right now, I'll wait. I don't want to buy it. About US 30 up or down, I don't know. Okay, Diego, I will take a look on US equities as well. Personally, that was not my trade on US 30. Personally, I'm not trading the US equities too often, but yeah, I will look for something. I don't know when I've placed it last trade on US equities, maybe, I don't know, a few months ago, maybe. Would like to have a look at silver if we have time. Lillian, yeah, we'll take a look. But are you a bull? Are you a bear? British pound, US dollar, can we? Yeah, I will take a look on all markets, guys. So don't forget to like the video here. To like the video if you like my work. So right now, US oil is bullish, is strongly bullish, but right now it's too late to buy it, only because it could hit the former highs, also these supply zone, supply areas. So after this amazing rally, maybe I will look for a potential short, for a potential selling opportunity and selling setup. Okay, so that's why. So that right now, I don't know if it will go to 90. I don't know. Okay, because we have strong supply areas, resistance levels. So right now, after this amazing rally, and I'll wait for the price to approach and reach these immediate supply zones and blocks here. And maybe I will look for a potential short, because after this rally it could drop. So this is my opinion about US oil right now after catching this rally here. Okay, in the short term, yeah, that was my decision to manage it, because yeah, it's also important to to take profits. Okay, yeah, even if my my stop loss was at break even, but yeah, I've decided to take profit on this on this market, also on euro, Japanese yen, because I will talk about the Japanese yen also here. Yeah, I talked about this this setup also today in that market breakdown video, and as I've said, yeah, I cannot monitor my trades during the Asian session. I cannot stay all day in front of my computer. But yesterday I've managed my position here, a really good profit. Yeah, it has dropped, it has reached the medium line, rebound, and yeah, we are still there. Sideways movement right now. So yeah, it could. It was almost to reach this this demand zone here. So right now, sideways movement. I will look for a potential Japanese yen long, maybe, but let's take a look. So yen basket, first of all, and then I will try to answer to other questions, guys. Yen basket. I said earlier today that after this retreat, we may have a potential upwards movement. So right now, sideways movement. So I want the price to come back down here before developing a bullish momentum, or I want the yen basket to invalidate this this supply zone and to take out the resistance to make a new higher high, and then it will signal a potential further growth towards 83 psychological level, and then I will look for Japanese yen longs. Again, Japanese yen long. So let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Right now, we had this this massive drop. But here on 115 minutes demand zones. But still, this trading expert. Yesterday, a signal for British pound Japanese yen was sent on the Telegram VIP. It is still a valid entry. You'll have to wait for Orlando's update. Okay, trading expert. Personally, I'm here to talk about. Talk about my work, my setups, my trades, and I don't know if Orlando will decide to keep its pending order. But right now, if we'll take a look, British pound, Japanese yen, I believe that so I believe that the entry is around this imbalance here, if it will come back here. So right now, as long as the signal or the trade, the setup is still in the VIP group, it is still valid. Okay, and you will have to wait for Orlando's update, and if we'll decide to delete it, yeah, you will get an update into the VIP group. Okay, is there a potential bullish move on gold? What about gold? Yeah, we'll talk about gold, guys. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Personally, I will try maybe to catch something here, because maybe this could represent a potential flag pattern here on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. A potential downside continuation pattern here on Canadian. Maybe after I've had euro, Japanese yen, and maybe the next trade will be here on this market. On Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Check US 30, please. What about Euro USD? Marcel, what about that market? I've told you guys, please tell me what you're looking at. If you want to buy, if you want to sell. If you don't want to have a conversation here, okay, I will take a look maybe on Euro USD, but maybe I will take a look on monthly, and you want on 15 minutes. Okay? Please, guys. And don't forget to like the video. So right now, I don't want to sell it. I'll wait. Maybe it could rebound, but maybe I will still have something like maybe a pending order on this market. Of course, if it stays here below 98.06, okay, maybe this could be my next trade on Canadian dollar, on the Japanese yen. But right now, as I've said, I'll wait for confirmation also here on yen basket. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Jack, GUSL, powerful analysis. Ali, Euro USD this week. Aline, hi, how are you? Looking for a buy on Euro British Pound. What do you think? Okay, so yeah, as I've said, I'm looking for Japanese yen longs. Japanese yen longs. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. It looks interesting here, but maybe not a really good setup here. So New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, we already had this massive drop, so a rebound could bring us new short opportunities. But yeah, maybe Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, this will be the market for a potential short. Okay, but right now it continues to challenge the uptrend line, here. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, because on British pound, Japanese yen, let's take a look. Also here, this could represent also potential flag. It remains to see. Yeah, maybe we'll have sorry, I missed that question. GBP is still valid from yesterday. Marcel, as I've said earlier, you will have to wait for an update, okay, in the VIP group. It was not my pending order, it was not my setup, okay, so we'll have to wait for the trader to come back with his update, okay, on that pending order, because I said, yeah, the entry on that on British pound, Japanese yen. So let's take a look here. The entry was around these levels, I believe, okay, on British pound, Japanese yen. The price extended its sell-off, so we didn't had a rebound here to reach the entry and then to extend its sell-off, okay. So right now you'll have to wait for an update about that pending order. It is not my pending order, so I cannot talk about it. Every trader will update on his trades, pending orders. Yeah, my opinion right now, if the price will come back higher towards this zone, towards this area, yeah, maybe it could be it is still valid, okay, it could be valid. So how about British pound, Japanese yen? I'm talking about this market right now, okay. So you'll have to wait for an update, okay, because it's not my pending order. I don't know. So I will talk about if Orlando will decide to keep it. Yeah, you will have an update. I'm currently long on British pound, Japanese yen. My TP is hit. What? Your TP is his entry. Okay, yeah. Okay, your take profit. So do you think that British pound, Japanese yen will come back to reach this zone here? Let's see, let's wait, okay, because if it after retesting the supply zone here, breakdown, strong sell-off, the price came back here to maybe to retest a new sell-off. So right now I don't have a setup here, and also I'm not long. I don't want to buy British pound Japanese yen. I don't want to sell the Japanese yen right now. Let's wait, because in my opinion, staying below this former high 158.44 and making a new lower low here could activate maybe a sell-off. But yeah, right now we also have strong demand zones in the short term. So no, I don't have a trade here. Probably I will place a trade. I will share my trade on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so about gold, let's take a look on gold. I really want to place a trade today here for you guys. Also for the free members. Sorry. Gold. So gold sideways movement right now, and coming back to test retest here. Maybe this imbalance here and the demand zone could bring us potential long opportunities. That immediate, yeah, 74. But I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait for the price of gold to come back down before maybe I will catch something, or maybe we can place a pending order here in gold. Yeah, pending order in gold. Let's see. If we'll have maybe something like this in gold. $1.7, or maybe I will look for an entry here after retesting here, because maybe we'll have a bullish momentum from around this zone, around this area. So right now I'm still undecided about the potential long here in gold, but I will keep an eye on gold. Let's take a look on yeah, it has reached maybe here this imbalance. We have a supply zone also here. Maybe I will keep an eye also on that former high. So right now it has found resistance 1886 sell-off, but yeah, change of character. It could come back. It could come back down to retest this area, maybe before trying to extend its growth. So right now, let's take a look on the dollar index. It seems that the dollar index, it has rebounded. The dollar index rebounded. I've talked about potential US dollar longs earlier today. One moment. Okay, would you mind sharing what the different lines on your chart represent and how we may be able to get them? Different lines? What different lines? I am new on your channel. Hi, can you please take a look at natural gas? What about natural gas? So, rebound here on the dollar index after reaching the former lows. But right now it challenges the immediate supply here. a new higher high here on invalidating this supply may signal potential further growth, and potential further growth here could signal that the US dollar will appreciate versus its rivals, and gold could drop if this scenario will take shape. Okay, gold could drop in the short term. Yeah. Gold could drop a little in the short term, but maybe I will still look for something like a potential long, because I don't want to maybe to sell it here as long as we have these downside obstacles. So 130 here, yeah. Test, retest, an imbalance here. Silver, let's take a look on silver as well. Silver now, it is trapped between a strong supply, a strong demand here. Oh, sorry, I'm a little tired. So probably invalidating this zone, this area may signal potential growth, further growth here, but we still need confirmation. I still need confirmation, because right now, yeah, it has reached the supply zone, maybe on lower time frames. We can have something like a potential sell-off, but only maybe towards these levels here. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen again. Let's see. Now it's still located inside of this channel, so it could come back higher or something. But maybe I will have a pending order on this market. Sorry, guys. So that this is a break of structure, okay? Break of structure, but you don't have to use them. You don't have to use this concept. You don't have to use pitchfork if you don't want to use pitchfork. In my opinion, you can use whatever you want, as long as you will get high probability trades. Also, personally, I'm not trading only based on that indicator, only based on one concept. So what would you please have a look at Euro USD, any potential buy? Aline, I will take a look on that market as well. So personally, I'm trading based on a confluence trading strategy. Okay, so I'm using a lot of tools and concepts maybe. Yeah, maybe this will be my next trade here on the Japanese yen. Maybe this will be my next trade. Let's take a look here on this. No, because maybe it will come back towards this strong imbalance here. Okay, so if you want to Basil, can you make natural gas analysis? I don't know, maybe later. Yeah, after I will finish with majors, commodities, cryptocurrencies. But yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. For you, are you a VIP member? Okay, so about Euro USD, someone asked me about that market. Euro USD. Uh, right now, guys, taking out 103.01, okay, may signal a potential deeper drop here, and if the dollar index will drop, then the Euro USD could jump higher, or a potential growth here on the dollar index will force Euro USD to drop. So let's take a look. Euro USD. Please, guys, about Euro USD, because someone asked me about Euro USD. Okay, Aline, any potential buy? Personally, did you watch it? My daily video analysis? Because personally, I've shared the daily video analysis earlier today, and I talked about potential shorts in Euro USD. Okay, after reaching this zone here, resistance levels here, supply here, or yeah, taking out this zone, it could signal that Euro USD could come back higher, maybe towards this zone before turning to the downside. But yeah, I'm looking for potential shorts right now and not for longs in Euro USD. Okay, for potential shorts, selling opportunities. Yeah. So right now, I would like the price to approach and reach 1.0780, this supply zone, 1.08 or something. Okay, and then maybe it could come back down. Gold. Maybe I will have something in gold, but I'll wait to see if the price will come back down here to retest. Then I will look for potential trades on 2 minutes, 5 minutes maybe, or if it stays here. If it stays here, maybe above the former high, previous low or something. Yeah. Natural gas, let's take a look. CFD. So natural gas, are you a bull? Are you a bear? For hour. Whoa, what a massive drop. Strong downside movement. So daily as well. I'm not trading on this market, so but after this massive drop, hello, can we look on US 30 for potential longs, broken bearish trend line on 30 minutes. Yeah, I will take a look on US equities as well. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like the video. So after this massive drop, we cannot exclude a rebound. So let's take a look on lower time frames. 1 hour. Yeah, we already had a rebound here. So maybe I would have liked to see here a strong consolidation, accumulation, false breakdowns, great separation, pin bars or something before turning to the upside, because this could maybe this could be only a temporary rebound. It could reach this former high, this supply or this supply here before turning to the downside. Okay, so we're still under pressure. Temporary rebounds could bring a new potential sell-off. Right now, I don't know, I don't think that maybe it will develop a larger swing higher, leg higher, as long as it stays below the supply, near-term supply zone, supply areas, because we didn't had maybe something like a strong demand zone. Maybe we have here only a demand zone, major demand zone, but right now it's premature to talk about the potential larger downside movement. So right now, yeah, temporary rebounds are natural, but also temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities, and only validating the immediate supply areas, taking out the former highs, making a value breakout, a new higher high. Also here could signal potential larger rebound. Okay, or natural gas, but right now I don't have a setup. So okay, someone asked me about US 30. Can you please have a look at US 30? So Dow Jones for potential longs, broken bearish trend line on 30 minutes. What trend line? This one on 30 minutes. Adele, GBP, Australian dollar 1 hour, some analysis, please look bias to upside. So US 30 minutes chart, this downtrend line. Do you want to buy it here at resistance 34,184? In my opinion, if the dollar index will jump higher, if the US dollar will appreciate versus its rivals, then or what trend line? This trend line? Gold, I've talked about gold. You can watch the video later today in our YouTube channel if you want to watch this this session again. So right now, resistance, former highs resistance as well. We are in a supply zone, supply area. So right now, no, I don't want to buy it. Probably coming back down here could bring us something. Okay, or invalidating the supply zones and taking out the resistance levels. Okay, so right now I don't want to do anything in US 30 also after what happened here. Sell off, rally. Yeah. What about gold? It moves somehow sideways. It has found resistance here. And I've talked about maybe potential longs, upside continuation. So if you're a VIP member, a VIP trader, you will get my trade, because gold and Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, these could be my trades today. Okay, can you look on GU 15 minutes? Jack, GU 15 minutes. Yeah. What about it? What about this market? What about British pound, Japanese yen 15 minutes? If you're not telling me what you are looking at, so yeah, 15 minutes. So what? Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? Are you a bull? Are you a bear? I don't know. Okay, so I will continue with US 100. So here, okay, if it will drop a little, then maybe we can look for potential longs, but only if the DXY will drop, will extend its sell-off. Jack, sell? I don't know. I don't have a setup here for a sell. I don't have a setup for a sell on 15 minutes. Maybe a corrective growth on USD Swiss franc. Personally, I would like maybe British pound, US dollar to come back to retest this zone before jumping higher or something. And yeah, if we'll take a look on lower time frames, like 2 minutes, yeah, former high here, a new lower low, here, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 1.2076 could activate a potential sell-off towards this zone, towards this area. But as long as it stays here, I don't want to sell it. Okay. Gold, yeah, it has started to grow again. We are still inside of this demand on 5 minutes here. Yeah. What? I have to take a look on something. Yeah, okay. Gold, maybe I will have a potential trade later. Unfortunately, maybe I will have to wait. Also here in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, because personally I thought that I will have something really good to trade live here with you. So US 100. Maybe we'll have something here on US 100. Let's take a look. On 1 hour now. In my opinion, yeah, okay, if it will come back higher here to retest, maybe I'll look for shorts in US 100, potential shorts in US 100. Potential shorts in US 100. But yeah, I would like the price to come back to retest here, to register something like false breakouts or something before going down. If this this scenario will take shape, if the US dollar will appreciate. Maybe also here, US 30 as well. because it's still located inside of this this supply. 1 hour and 15 minutes we have something here, a change of character, so it has dropped it below the former low here. Yeah, I would like to see test retest here. Maybe it could turn to the downside. Yeah, maybe we'll have something also on US equities. Not here on US 500, maybe only on US 30 and US 100. Okay, but only if the DXY will come back higher. Okay, if the dollar index will rebound, if the US dollar will appreciate versus its rivals. Okay, let's take a look. So today maybe only the FOMC member Williams and the FOMC member Barr speeches was the indicator that make those lower low break of structure. So you can find the indicator in trading view, but please guys, the reason why I don't want maybe to, it is not it is public guys, but it is not easy to trade maybe with this indicator. So personally, I've told you guys, I'm using it here, but only as an indicator. Okay, only as an indicator. I'm not trading only based on this indicator. Okay, I've told you that I'm trading based on a Confluence trading strategy, using more than one indicator, tools, price action, fundamentals. Yeah, so that's why I'm using it only as an indicator here, but I'm not trading only based on this on this indicator, right? So that's why you can find it in trading view as smart money concept or something. Yeah, smart money concepts, but yeah, as I've said, I'm not trading only based on this indicator, because there are a lot of, if you'll take a look here, there are a lot of actually it depends, right? Because these could still be invalidated as well. So that's why personally I'm not trading. Also, I'm not placing buy limits, maybe sell limits. Yeah, like here, I will not place a buy limit here. When the price will hit it, then it could turn to the upside. No, because maybe the price could I don't know, could retest here, could signal that we'll have strong sellers, and then maybe the price could drop below the uptrend line, could invalidate, could make a new lower low, could invalidate the demand zone, and could extend its sell-off. So yeah, you will have to understand the price action as well. You have to understand also fundamentals, a lot of that's why personally I have a Confluence trading strategy. I'm not trading only based on a single indicator or concept, or yeah. And I believe that you have noticed in January and right now in February that yeah, personally I'm in the green. Most of my trades and setups were really good, even if my maybe my management was not okay, was not perfect, like yesterday maybe here in Euro Japanese yen it was not perfect, but no one knows what will really happen. Okay, Trading it is about probabilities. So here, when it has reached this imbalance, this support, maybe I wanted to get out, to take the profit and to look for something else. Also US oil, when the price reached here, this zone and this former low, yeah, I've decided to manage my position to take all this profit. Yeah, so so you can use, guys, I don't know, maybe totally agree, I've been drawing them out by hand, so I think it could be helpful to see. Okay, yeah, Larson, but you will also need a strategy. Okay, confirmation, it's very, very important. I know, yeah, I'm talking about confirmation all the time, and maybe I will become boring or something. Or I will. But yeah, you need confirmation. I don't want to buy every demand zone. I don't want to sell every supply zone. No, you need to understand the price action. You need something else. You need confirmation. You need, yeah, a lot of you need something else. Trading is not easy, guys. Trading, it's risky. Yeah. So silver. What? Euro, Turkish lira. Euro, Turkish lira. No, I'm not trading on this market. Yeah. Oh, no. Also, right now, with the current situation in Turkey, we could have sharp movements, high volatility. So right now, I don't know, maybe I would like to catch something from here, from around these former lows, but I need confirmation. Yeah. Okay. Bitcoin. Are you interested in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, guys? Don't forget that learn to trade algorithm. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies, so Bitcoin, yeah, it has reached this supply. So this is the thing about this indicator. Okay, this is not perfect. Okay, this is not perfect. That's why personally I'm looking only, I'm using it, but I'm not trading only based on this indicator. Okay, it has reached this supply. We had only a reaction, but in my opinion the bias remains bullish, or the upside pressure remains high, as long as it stays above the immediate downside obstacles and support levels. Accumulation, consolidation may signal potential new rally. It could come back to retest also that former high and then to turn to the downside or something. So yeah, you really need a strategy, guys. You really need confirmation, and confirmation. Also, this concept, guys, it is not perfect. Okay, I hope you noticed lately that only the liquidity swap or maybe the smart money concept, it is not enough, in my opinion. Or actually, yeah, every trader is different. Every trader has his own style. But yeah, for me, no, I don't want to use only one concept or to trade only based on one indicator or something, because yeah, okay. if you have questions, more questions. Do you use the RSI also for confirmations, divergence? Maybe I'm using, but it depends, guys. My strategy, actually, my trading strategy, that Confluence trading strategy, is much more complex, in my opinion. I'm not using only a single confirmation, or I'm not using all the time maybe divergence or hidden divergence, or this indicator is smart money concept. I'm not using pitchfork all the time. I'm using a lot of tools. It depends on the price action. Okay, it depends. So I have a personal approach. Yeah, I have I have to admit that I have a personal approach, because I've tried a lot of things in the past, and I don't know, maybe I was not comfortable to use those indicators or setups or strategies or something. So I've had to develop something, or to have my own approach. So yeah, I'm using divergence, maybe hidden divergence, but yeah, not always. So not all my trades are based on smart money concept, or pitchfork, or price action, or divergence, or RSI, Williams, or something, right? Because if you take a look, there are a lot of times when maybe the RSI will signal or will indicate a divergence, bearish divergence, but the price will continue to grow, right? Or yeah, hidden divergence or something. But yeah, you will need a strategy. Yeah, you will need a strategy, rules. Yeah, trading is not easy, guys. But yeah, as I've said, you will have to read the disclaimer. In my opinion, only a new lower low here, dropping, closing, and stabilizing, maybe below 23,314 may could also activate a potential larger downside movement. And it is a potential buy. So I've talked about that market. British pound, Japanese yen. I don't know. Right now, it continues to stay below the former high. Right now, I don't want to buy it right below resistance. Yeah, I don't want to sell it here right now. And I've said, guys, if it stays below it, a new lower low here may signal potential sell-off here, because I've talked about Japanese yen longs today, guys. I've talked about Japanese yen longs. Yeah. Yeah, sell-off. That sell-off in gold only because the DXY. It seems that yeah, it stays higher here. It seems that it has invalidated. No, it's still located below this this supply zone. Why a supply zone? Because yeah, the price crashed, sideways movement, and from here a sell-off. So we had potential sellers here around this zone, maybe. Okay, a bearish zone. It's a supply zone. Okay, guys, I will come back with potential trades in gold and Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, also US equities, US 30 and US 100 and US 30. Okay. Ethereum. Sideways movement. A new higher high here may signal potential further growth here, but at least towards this zone, this area, because we had also former high here. Sorry, former high as resistance, and right below this former high we had this major imbalance. Okay, major imbalance. So strong sellers. Okay, strong sellers. Yeah, this candle here. So right now we are in this, maybe in this zone, this area here already. So yeah, we have a strong maybe pressure, downside pressure on Ethereum. Okay, thank you guys. I will come back with new trades later after getting confirmation on US 30, US 100, US 500 maybe, gold and Japanese yen. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this webinar. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your questions. And next time, guys, please tell me what you are looking at. Not only gold, not only USD, Swiss franc, not only, I don't know. Yeah. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to like the video. And personally, I will come back with high probability trades for the VIP group, for the VIP members. Don't forget to hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP group or the swing group, crypto group, yeah, or please visit our website for more services. Yeah, if you want to I don't know, if you want to use that new algorithm, algo on cryptocurrencies. Thank you guys. Bye bye.